Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can set your Roblox experience to public. Okay, first of all guys, you can visit Roblox website, roblox.com, and after that you're going to go to the create menu. Okay, and wait. Okay, this is my experience on Roblox and I'm going to set it to public. So we can click on manage experience here. And then we're going to choose public, but wait, it's still loading. Okay, and we can scroll down until we find the privacy, and here you will be able to set it to public or private, and just click on public if you want to make it public, and then don't forget to click on save changes. Okay guys, and that's all the way to set our experience to public in Roblox. I hope this video will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching. And if you found this tutorial useful, don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to the channel. Bye!